Need a little less throw on my ailerons now. 16 by 17 really moves though. Huh. Interesting. Very interesting. Cool down lap. It's funny saying that in the winter. Oh, that's mushy. I love it. Rawr. I gotta tune the throw down. A mental note. Oh, barking on me. Alright, coming in. Try to float this one way out there. Okay, and eject spoilerons, or flaps as we call them. Bring it on in. Perfect. No half-mile walk that time. Alright, here she goes. That was fun.